Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO team Perlemon. Today we will learn how to reverse the content strategy of your competitors. So it's the simple step. You have to copy the sitemap URL of competitor and copy this code. Link is in the description. So let me copy this code and go to the collab.research.google, paste this code. So you need to change this URL with the sitemap URL of your competitor. For example, here's my competitor and here's the post URL of sitemap URL of the competitor. So hit the play button. Look, now it's fetching all the keywords and the content strategy. So now you can understand the content strategy of this competitor by analyzing these keywords. Means if this aseptic bag is writing for the content about the Bollywood furniture cleaning, car seat fabrics, so now you can plan your content according to this. So it's a simple way to fetch the keywords and content calendar. You can make your own content calendar using this. Thank you.